Right, Bosch hammer, no hammer. Sounds more than just the hammer in that one. Problem with the motor. Brushes aren't going. Now, what's happening there? Nope. Ears are actually alright. And it doesn't sound like an armature, and it doesn't smell like an armature. Ah. Well, it could be. Could be an earth. Uh-huh. Broken wire. The neutral's actually sitting touching the earth probably. And she's only getting half power. We'll test this first. And see if I'm right. Got a quick test here now and see. Yeah, that was the problem. The lead. Broken wire. That wire, when setting onto the neutral, was touching the earth, so it's only getting half power. Test the hammer here now. See if she still works. Yep, that's good. Ready to go.